Hey, my man, what's going on? Oh, yeah, please.
What is the problem?
What's the problem?
Bro, I got somewhere to be, bro.
Turn around.
Bro, get your hands off me.
Turn around, like I said.
Bro, what is your problem?
Turn around. Bruh.
Stop
do that.
I got somebody assaulting me.
Man,
it ain't no somebody.
Turn around.
What?
Everybody assaulting you. Everybody trying to do nothing to you. Put your hand behind your back, man.
Airport security checkpoints operate at the intersection of federal law and constitutional rights. When those two systems collide, the outcome depends on one question: who had the legal obligation to act first? Three parties, three sets of legal obligations. One procedural failure none of them anticipated. The law defines each party's exposure, and the analysis begins with the regulatory framework governing the space itself.
I get him. Hey, my man. Hey, my man, what's going on? Oh, yeah, please.
What is the problem?
What's the problem?
Bro, I got somewhere to be, bro.
If there's people...
Back up, bro.
Hey, don't get locked up today, bro. Don't get locked up today. Turn around. You got
Bro, get your hands off me.
Turn around, like I said.
Bro, what is your problem?
Turn around. You in a secure area. Turn around, bro. Don't make it worse, man. I'm letting you know right now. Don't make it worse. Ain't nobody trying to take your job. I will. Put your hands behind your back. Like I said. Put your hands behind your back.
What is the problem, bro? What is your problem, bro?
Turn around.
What is your problem, bro?
Turn around.
What is your problem, bro? What is your problem, bro?
Like I said, turn around.
What is your problem, bro? Why are you putting handcuffs on me for no reason?
Turn around, man.
Why you tensing up?
What do you mean why I'm tensing up? I got somebody assaulting me, bro.
Put your hands behind your back.
I got somebody assaulting me.
Put your hand behind your back.
Come on, somebody assaulting you.
Get your hands out your pocket.
Don't do that. Bruh.
Stop
Don't do
tensing
that.
I got somebody assaulting me.
Man,
It ain't no
turn
somebody.
around.
What?
Everybody assaulting you. Everybody trying to do nothing to you. Put your hand behind your back, man. We're going to jail for some nonsense. In a secure area. They telling you to stop.
Man, I got
You making a
headphones
big,
in, bro.
bro.
I got headphones in, bro.
He touched you.
I got a random.
He touched you.
Bro, I got a random person coming up
touched
to
you.
Bro, I got a random person.
Security.
You see this every
Bro, I
day.
got a random person.
Security
coming up
talking to you.
I'm getting off work. I got a random person coming up to me, touching me. I don't know who you are, bro. I got somewhere to go, bro.
You see this?
I got somewhere to go, bro.
You see that right there?
Bro,
My man,
he is a
just
random
listen.
person. I do not know this man from a can of paint, bro.
He working right here.
Bro, I've never seen this man
You see
for
the
a day in my
badge.
life.
You see
bro.
the badge.
I
You
haven't
see that?
seen him, bro. I haven't seen him.
Come on, man. Think. You trying to lose your
Bro,
job over nonsense?
I'm getting off work. I'm
you
walking
trying to
to
lose
my
your job
ride.
over nonsense?
I'm getting off work. I'm walking to my ride. Some
My man.
random man touching me. I'm like, bro, who are you, sir?
Let's use common sense, brother.
I'm using common sense. I'm in here every day. I'm in here every day. How am I not using common
That's
sense?
more reason you should know.
This could have been way left. You could have got hurt. Somebody could
What you mean? This could have went like this is already left.
No,
You
no,
over here
no.
putting your hands on me.
Brother.
The hell you talking
Look,
about?
listen. This could have been way left. Yes, because
Bro, you
ground
putting
bleeding.
your hands on me. This already left.
Nah, it's not left.
It's already left. It's already left.
No, it's not.
Bro, I'm not worried
Listen.
about nobody hurting me. Promise.
All right. You must want to watch the news.
You want me to hold down the check?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me take you to the police real quick.
So I can't even go home after work.
Yeah, you going with me? My man. Let's come to the precinct. 1750 radio. What company you work for, man? Huh? You said what?
I don't know, bro. I don't even. I lost my whole train of thought, bro.
Come on, man. I watched the man touch you. All you gotta do is turn around. Who are you? That's all you gotta say.
Because I don't know you, bro.
Ain't someone me.
I'm in here. I don't know any of y'all. I don't know you. I don't know him.
It doesn't matter.
Bro, yes,
this
it
is a
does matter.
business.
Yes, it does matter.
This is a business.
Bro, I'm in
You
here.
got a lot of
I'm in
you got stuff you
I'm
can
in
work
here
here.
every fucking day, bro.
Okay.
I'm in here every day.
Okay, my
I
man
get off
said
work
something
and
to
I'm
you.
going home and I got some random dude on my back touching me. I'm like, Bro, go mind your business. I'm
So
minding
that's what you
mine.
do. Turn around. Who are you? Who are you?
No,
That's what you're supposed to say.
No, I didn't. Bro, if you minding your business, why are you worried about who I am in the first place? If you in here doing your job, doing what you're supposed to do, why are you in my face?
Who are you?
Why are you in my face if you in here doing what you're supposed to do, minding your business? That's the real question. Yeah, all right.
You gotta take a minute.
Yeah, niggas ain't got an answer for that. Niggas ain't got an answer for that.
Turn around. Who are you?
Yeah, all right.
You see my man got a TSA uniform on.
Yeah, all right.
People just walk
I'm
to
not
the
worried
airport.
about what uniform you got on, bro. I'm worried about where I'm going.
All right, man. You too big. You too young old for that. He tripping.
8688, that's negative.
Bro, why is you in my pockets, bro?
Man, you take everything out of the pot. You better go to sell. You ain't going there.
Copy.
Take some drawers off. This motherfucker right here, man. He gonna stop my man who was calling him. My man do got earbuds in, but my man touched him. He kept him on. Fuck it. I said, yo, my man.
Then he starts putting
He thought he was going, oh man, I ain't gonna, like, they gonna resist and shit. I'm like, my man, let's go on the left. Ain't nobody trying to hurt you. I ain't go the fuck home, man. It's my fucking anniversary. I'm dealing with this dick kid. What the issue is this guy right here?
Huh? He came off the elevator, and we're doing screening on employees. So when he got off the elevator, we asked to see his badge. He just blows right past us, and his badge was invisible. So I started following him, and he's moving pretty fast. So I caught up with him. I said, "Hey!" I kept saying, "Hey, hey." He didn't answer, so I touched him with my water bottle and said, "Hey." He turned around for a split second, and then turned around and kept going. So we had to follow and try to get somebody else involved. He wouldn't stop. He's supposed to stop.
So you want to go through security?
Well, we screen employees. We're a part of the Atlas team with TSA. So he came up the elevator, and we were doing back checks at the elevator. He didn't have a bag on him, but we needed to see his ID. His ID's up underneath his clothing, which it shouldn't be in the first place.
Maybe.
That's fine. I think that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, we can't see shit.
Come on, Mr. Johnson. Stand up. Let's go.
Where we going?
Oh, you going to Clinton County? Just call your folks when you get there. Well,
In New York v. Berger, 1987, the Supreme Court held that administrative searches of closely regulated industries require neither a warrant nor probable cause. Airport secure zones are the clearest application of this doctrine. Under 49 CFR Section 1540.105, airport employees must comply with security screening by authorized personnel. This is a binding federal obligation, not a request. It applies regardless of whether the employee believes the stop is justified. Airport protocols require credentials to be displayed on the outermost garment at all times in secure areas. A badge concealed beneath clothing constitutes an independent regulatory violation, predating the confrontation entirely. Terry v. Ohio, 1968, established that reasonable articulable suspicion justifies an investigative stop. Illinois v. Wardlow, 2000, confirmed that unprovoked departure from lawful authority is a relevant suspicion factor. Both thresholds were satisfied. Graham v. Connor, 1989, requires that the reasonableness of law enforcement action be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision, based on totality of circumstances then known, not what was learned after. In Skinner v. Railway Labor Executives Association, 1989, the court held that employees in pervasively regulated industries consent to administrative inspections as a condition of employment. Airport credentialing operates on this same foundation. TSA standard operating procedures require screeners to verbally announce their official capacity before initiating physical contact. No clear announcement preceded the contact here. That single procedural failure is the legal origin of every contested action that followed. City of Houston v. Hill, 1987, protects verbal protest against law enforcement under the First Amendment. It does not protect physical non-compliance with a lawful command. The distinction carries direct criminal exposure under Georgia Code Section 1610-24. Legal Lesson 1. Authority without proper procedure creates legal vulnerability. A screener who fails to announce capacity before physical contact may undermine the very enforcement action they are authorized to take. Legal Lesson 2. A credible reason for noncompliance is a legal defense, not a justification to resist. That defense must be raised in court. Physical resistance at the scene converts a defensible position into criminal exposure. The administrative search doctrine narrows constitutional protections in regulated spaces, but it does not eliminate procedural obligations. Both the screener and the employee had obligations. Both fell short. The question is, which failure carries greater legal weight? Was the arrest constitutionally valid? Did the screener's contact create the confrontation they were tasked to prevent? And if both parties failed their legal obligations simultaneously, where does liability actually fall? The answer is not where most people assume.